And for those that don't know, then get to know, this is drum and bass. Watch it. So much fun, yeah. Go, 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 go. Say boom party, boom party. Go, 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 go. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Because I know somewhere deep down in my heart I still love you.
Wonderful place is Bangkok, but you're sure to be in for a shock. If your woman is told that she has every hole, so she most certainly has a...
Yeah, son, and your talents and your choice and your armor. Just slip a line through the shoulders of pajamas. Looking like you're living life on the skid. But we're living through the back, cause you're taking this shit. I probably seen it, but you're rubbing them with falling, but I never have to dream. Then I can wait, have a good holiday, be on your way. Why, man? Cause I leave on the DK. Okay, and on to the second verse. When you're looking at my harder than the first. It ain't nothing like you haven't seen Joker in the back of my car. You did a black skirt every day in the week. I do just what I like. And I never made a room for a taxi on the spot to break your boss. It's in your back shot, put it on your back. Take away knapsack. Cause I'm a tourist, and you're a tourist. I give you the movies, but you never get the goods. Put your bags on your way. Have a good holiday, be on your way. Why, man? Cause I live in the BK.
Never nothing to gain. If she's a burglar, ridiculous, remember the name.
We're not away in the SLK. Take my pay pocket and I still got shit. We're not away in the SLK. Still got money and you don't got pay. We're not away in the SLK.
You remember the name.
So I live in the BKK. Here's what I do on a normal day. I wake up a hot kitchen with a couple of clips to turn up the alarm. I'm ready late. Turn up the class, don't have a clue. Who is next in my ditch next and who? Yeah, who is next on my instinct quest? Is it part on one or part two? And then the class alive, I feel half alive. Please stand up with the noise upside. Keep it down and I'm wearing a brown. Yeah, do this song, you just basically a clown. But I do this for Monday to Friday. If I didn't have a weekend, I would cry. Going out Bangkok, ready to rock. Where's the taxi to Ceylon or Rostock? Yeah, take my cares away. I don't care what any of you say. Just listen, the two way. Just living in the BKK. Let's turn that down to the side to the side. Nobody get fight. Should I got inside? When you get fight, think I know what not. Should I got inside? When you get fight, think I know why. God knows I've tried. So don't get in trouble for my misdemeanors. Gotta even try to learn with the keenness. I know you like it. I've been there.